In today's video, we are going to show you how to navigate the Deriv platform if this is your first time and you feel overwhelmed because there are so many menus, charts, and trading options available. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and you'll instantly be forwarded to the interface. As you may notice, it's straightforward, it's clean, and it's functional. In the left side, you will notice that you have the home page. Essentially, this is going to be your main dashboard inside Deriv. You can quickly access your account balance, trading accounts, deposit and withdrawal options, market highlights, and a quick access to trading platforms. Plus, the recent activity and announcement if you have any of it. So think of this as your control center of your Deriv account. Now, the CFDs is where you trade contracts or difference. CFD allows you to speculate on whether a market will go up or down without owning the actual assets, while the options is used for fixed time and prediction based trading. You will be forwarded to the different platforms and you can choose from a Deriv bot, smart trader. In this case, we are going to open the Deriv trader platform. Click the open. What will happen is you can track and manage your trades in this interface. You can use the rise and fall, accumulators, multipliers until the even and odd strategy. This drop-down menu gives you your market. And of course, you can start your trade here by selecting the commodities, and then all I have to do is click the buy button. The drop-down menu here allows you to choose if you want to have a real account or a demo account so you can practice and immerse yourself with the Deriv trading platform. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can navigate the Deriv platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.